The Research Writing Process, Global Revision, Part 1 of the Revision Process. Global revision is the craft of improving one's writing by addressing larger issues such as purpose and audience, focus, organization and paragraphing, and point of view. Writers should begin the revision process by addressing global-level suggestions from the critique stage, since global revision may require writers to eliminate, reorder, or even restructure sentences, a requirement that may undo or complicate the work of local revision. Either by moving sequentially from introduction to conclusion or by moving topically from one kind of issue to the next, writers should make the necessary changes in at least 5 areas. When triaging global revision, first, make revisions related to purpose and audience. Begin by answering these kinds of questions and making the necessary revisions. Does the draft address a question, a problem, or an issue that readers care about? Is the draft appropriate for its audience? Does it account for the audience's knowledge of and possible attitudes toward the subject? Second, make changes related to focus. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Is the thesis prominent near the end of the intro? Is the thesis strong? Is the thesis as concrete as possible, not too general in its terms? Is it narrow, not too broad for the project? Is it challenging and interesting, not too bland or obvious? Is it grounded in supporting evidence, not too speculative? Is it incisive, and does it engage a problem or debate? Scan the supporting paragraphs. Are any ideas obviously off point? Third, make changes related to organization and paragraphing by answering these kinds of questions. Are there enough organizational cues for readers? Are ideas presented in a logical order? Are any paragraphs too long or too short for easy reading? Fourth, make changes related to overall content. Answer these kinds of questions. Is the supporting material relevant and persuasive? Which ideas need further development? Have you left the reader with any unanswered questions? Are the parts proportioned sensibly? Do major ideas receive enough attention? Is there sufficient evidence in developed paragraphs? Fifth, make changes related to point of view by answering questions like this one. Is the dominant point of view, first person, second person, or third person, appropriate for your purpose and audience?